my tent. Try to come in a tent. Here's the door to come in.
Mommy?
Out of the tent.
Mommy? Can he go?
Yes.
To sit in a tent with you?
Yes.
Knock, knock, knock. Somebody in?
Yes, come in.
Thank you. Oh, should I have to take off the shoes too?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Pop.
I am so hungry. Do you have something to eat?
Yes. It's in here.
What's that?
Here's my hungry bear.
Hmm.
Here's the
What kind of food?
here's cookie.
Hmm.
Cookies in here. Cookie.
Thank you. And the other one, what is it?
It's a small cookie. Here's a big cookie for you.
Okay.
Here's a
Thank you.
small cookie for me.
Thank you very much.
When not all gone, we can leave it in here.
Okay. Left it just a bit. What about some drink?
Some drink. Jelly.
Jelly? Jelly is not a drink. Huh?
No.
What kind of drink do you have?
Have the strawberry drink.
No. Can you have some?
Yes.
Just a cup, 1 cup of strawberry juice.
Okay, there's a bit. There's a bit.
Yes.
Here have many, but you can eat just a bit.
Thank you.
It's left. I put it in here.